we keep on going.
What up, guys? Sounds really windy outside. Today is kind of like first official cleanup day for the BMW. There's a junkyard really close by that I want to check out. They have a couple of BMWs that are out of commission, and I want to see if they have any extra parts that I might be able to use for this thing. Who knows what we'll find at this place. I promised myself that I'd go to the small JDM store, like Calgary's only JDM store, to pick up LED lights for the interior, maybe get some LED lights if they have some for the headlights. I know I have to replace the wipers on this thing because they are rubbish. We're going to be using FRS today because it is beautiful. Hell or high water. Dude, it's freaking windy. I'm going to be leaving soon. I'm just going to quickly go to the junkyard, see what they got for the BMW. All right, I'm going to snack first. Oh yeah, I have something special in here. I'll open that up later. Snacky-doodle went to town, motherfucking riding on a pony. I don't care.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh, right.
Yeah, man, it's done.
Fuck off.
What? You guys caught it.
Oh, is that still rolling?
Yeah, you guys caught it. He swore at me. Alright guys, first stop, garage, pick up some tools to help us out on our junkyard adventure. And then probably Canadian Tire to pick up the wipers and LEDs and the JDM store to do whatever else. I legally have to have my glasses on when I drive. What do we need, bro? Possibly pliers, screwdrivers for sure, maybe that. Yes, yes, definitely that. All right, we got our tools off to the junkyard. And our friend Brandon is coming. All right, for the viewers at home, Brandon, because I always make a mistake and these guys make fun of me for it, okay?
My mother planet hitched a flight from Kami, senzu beans with some wasabi now. Master Roshi tripping about responsibility. And Chowsu tweaking on me, boy, that shit be killing me. I just wanted to senzu beans with some wasabi outside. Anyways, I got this tail that I cannot hide. Boma told Vegeta that is evil in his pride, and he still had an attitude. Punched a hole in a wall. The wall showed him gratitude. Chi-Chi said the greatest love comes from deep inside. I'm with it, but the full moon got me wide.
It's unpaved roads, man. This hurts. But we've come to the right place. So apparently this place has like a few BMWs. So we shall see. Have you ever been here?
No.
Quick parts.
Oh, the parts for the left. Enter yard without permission.
We're gonna have to go through the front office first, probably, to get permission, but we're here at Quick Parts. We have another place, like another junkyard called Pick and Bowl, but this is just another one of those places. So we signed in, adventure, stroll around, see what we can find, but I am gonna bring my bag though.
And to love you and the stars up to far,
this place is crazy.
up to far. Talk to you
Oh, here.
and thinking I want
BMW 323i. Yo, what you know, what you know? Drive shaft.
talk to
So,
you
what can I use from this,
I
man?
want to
This is...
and enjoy your dancing.
What's the key in here, dude? What can I steal? Steal a key. Huh? Yeah, the key with the helmet. Look at this. Let's grab that shit. Want that? Yo, I had to figure that out. Kid in a candy store. Oh, here's another Beamer, dude. And it says car starts. Oh shit, dude. That does not open. Oh, this had it bad. I think so. Yeah, Beamer wagon. That's it, right? So there's actually a lot of parts that are interchangeable between BMW models, but I'm just looking for an E36 specifically, or maybe if I'm lucky and I can find an M50 engine or its manifold or something. man, there's like smokes everywhere. Here we go. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, what's in here?
Promise not to leave me. I told you that I love you. I thought there were cups for two. Really, how to get to know you? Tell me.
I'm tempted, dude. This kid's looking for a door for his Jeep. It's yours, man. What else can you grab from this puppy? I need windshield wipers, motherfucker. What size is this? Alright guys, let's go check out my friend's JDM store. This place is just full of JDM stuff, and actually on this side is like Gundams and Hello Kitty. But this is what we came here for. Anything Beamer, really. BMW? Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
And then I'm actually gonna get one of the blue
Which one?
Broadway mirrors. I'm thinking the 300 millimeters, okay?
Okay. Oh, this one.
Yes,
right? Okay,
exactly.
Sure, yeah. You're pretty, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay, yeah. I
Yeah,
haven't
her.
seen you for a long time.
I know, right? How's it going?
Good.
How's Casey? How's the family?
Casey is working right now.
Lots of work?
So,
Yeah, he's still teaching piano, right?
No.
Oh, really?
Like when he's starting, you driving the BM now?
Yeah, I just picked one up, that's
okay.
why. It's gonna be the next project, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Say thank you, like because you keep something at Casey, some stuff. In your
Yeah, that's
store,
okay.
right?
Yeah, that's what it's for. It's like storage garage, so.
Yeah,
And he's part of our crew, so.
Yeah, I still have a muffler and a meat pie in my garage.
Yeah.
And I think you just put it like online, let's say free for.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Enjoy the day,
Take care.
okay? Yeah, say hi to everyone for me. Okay, take care. On to the next errand. Ooh, got some goodies. All right, all we're really missing now are wipers. So I'm gonna go to Canadian Tire really quickly, and it's actually getting really dark. What the? So while we still have a little bit of light, wiper blades. Couldn't find any at the pick and pull, so I picked some up at Walmart. Yeah, let's get it. All the goodies, blue tinted wide angle mirror, some BMW things, LED lights. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. Sick. And even more LED lights. Nice.
Promise not to leave me. I told you that I love you. I thought there were cups for two. Really,
Don't forget to take this out. These are rubbish. Ooh. Beautiful. Very easy install. Kind of gross. I think it is like this, dude. Just for now. Sweet. think I'm gonna end this video here. Just a little bit of TLC for the BMW. Now in terms of what I'm gonna be doing to this BMW, I did make a list through research of watching other YouTubers' videos, cheap alternative mods for the E36 specifically. I'm excited to show you guys what I've envisioned for this BMW build. And if it's gonna be anything like the FRS, you'll know that it's gonna take a completely different direction. And I'm excited. I'm excited for all of the new content that's gonna be put on this channel. And I'm also gonna take a different approach to build. Try to step up the quality of my tutorial DIY videos a little bit too, because I feel like, especially on this type of channel, it's the DIYs and the tutorial videos that do a little better and have my audience coming back trying to learn more. When it comes down to it, I like delving into things I have little to no knowledge of, but I'm still interested in. That way, at the very end of it, I come out with some sort of learning value, you know? And this thing, I have no idea, okay? We're gonna be doing a lot more to the BMW, performance and exterior-wise. But for now, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys wanna get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, what? Yo, thanks, man. Time to open this thing. Hey. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ain't no peeking, did no peeking. Apparently it goes 30 kilometers an hour.
Oh, crap.
Speed. Good grocery getter. Alright, so shout outs to Billy for sending this. He told me that I was supposed to make a video out of it. So we're gonna ride around, just around the basement. It's so big though. What? I guess you just gotta put it together.
Pull it down from the bottom, or?
Yeah, feed that in.
We can't read it.
It just says have fun. Beep beep.
I understand the power button now.
Oh, accelerator. This is brake. You're right. Yeah. Let's know, bro. Is it actually going?
Wait, how do you?
You have to go first and then press it, remember? Oh my god, no! Oh no. Dude, let's do it upstairs, man. That was a bad idea. Flip marks everywhere.
He's got it.
Yeah, I think it's better to try it outside, bro. Whoa. Yeah, crazy. I want to test how fast it goes, man, but you have to be outside. Okay. Save it for another day. We'll take it off ramps.